Welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Speras P4 high performance flashlight. So inside it comes with the user manual. You get a holster. You get a lanyard, USB-C charging cable, and extra O-rings. Briefly going over some specs, this has a max output of 4,000 lumens, a beam distance of 288 meters, Type-C charging. It uses one 21700 type battery. It's IPX68 waterproof and has a max runtime of 167 hours. It's got an SOS, strobe, eco, low mode, medium, high, and turbo mode. And then you can see the various runtimes for each mode. So looking at the P4, feels solid with its metal body. You can see it's fairly small, fits in the palm of my hands. You can see the 3 LEDs in the front. On the side you have the USB-C charge port. You have your power button here along with the LED indicator. And then the back you have the loop for the lanyard. And then unscrewing the back, you'll have access to the battery. You can see the 5000 milliamp hour 21700 type battery. Taking some quick measurements, you can see it's just under 5 inches long. And it weighs in at roughly 185 grams. Briefly going over the controls, we'll also test this outside. But I just want to show you the controls. So to turn it on, just hold down the power button. And then once you have it on, you can hold it down for a few seconds. And then you'll cycle through low, medium, and high. So low, medium, and high. To enter the eco mode, you just want to long press about half a second the power button. And now you're in the eco mode. And then if you double click it, you'll go into turbo mode. And then to enter the strobe and SOS mode, make sure it's on in any level, and then you just want to triple click the power button, and then triple click again, and then now you have the SOS. So the first one was a strobe, and this is the SOS. Now we'll test out the Speras P4 outside. Just gonna hold down the power button. This is on eco setting, so you can see it's very faint. Holding the power button again, now we're on low, medium, and high. Now if I double click real quick, it will put it on turbo mode. And then this is turbo mode. So you can see the throw is pretty far here. Now activating the strobe feature and the SOS, you just want to triple click the button. All right, so this is a look at the Speras P4 flashlight. I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.